Join me as I take on the challenge of following the Healthy Habits Haven Ultimate Eating Plan for a week to see how it fuels my body and mind. As we all know, nutrition plays a huge role in our overall well-being, affecting not just our physical health, but also our mental clarity and performance. The Healthy Habits Haven Ultimate Eating Plan is designed to optimize our diet for peak performance in both body and mind. I'm excited to dive into this challenge and see the results for myself. To make this journey even more insightful, I've been joined by a team of experts in nutrition and wellness who will be guiding me through the process. The Ultimate Eating Plan is all about challenging traditional eating habits and focusing on nutrient-dense foods that can supercharge our energy levels and mental clarity. This plan isn't just about cutting out certain foods or following a restrictive diet. It's about fueling our bodies with the right stuff to function at its best. It's a comprehensive approach that considers not just what we eat, but also when and how we eat it. I'm looking forward to pushing my boundaries and discovering new favorite foods. This eating plan entails a lot of fresh fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. It's about creating a balanced plate that can provide sustained energy throughout the day. I'm excited to see how these changes will impact not just my physical health, but also my mental performance and mood. Over the next week, I'll be documenting my journey, sharing my experiences, and providing updates on how I'm adapting to this new eating plan. One of the first things I've noticed since starting the plan is how much more vibrant and colorful my meals are. I'm eating a lot more fruits and vegetables than I typically do, and it's amazing how something as simple as adding a few extra servings of greens to my day can make such a big difference. My energy levels have already started to increase, and I feel more focused and alert. As I continue on this journey, I've been getting feedback from participants who have also joined the challenge. One of them mentioned how they feel more awake and focused in the mornings without needing a cup of coffee to get going. Another participant shared that they've noticed a significant reduction in their midday slumps, and they feel more productive throughout the day. These testimonials are really encouraging and make me even more excited to see the results. Adapting to the eating plan hasn't been without its challenges. There have been days when I've had to fight off cravings for old favorites that are high in sugar and salt. It's been tough, but the benefits I'm experiencing are making it all worth it. I've learned that having a support system and being prepared with healthy snacks can make all the difference. One of the surprising benefits I've experienced is the reduction in brain fog. I used to feel mentally drained and unfocused, especially after meals. But since starting this plan, I've noticed a significant improvement in my mental clarity and focus. It's amazing how much of a difference it's made in my daily productivity. Another participant shared that they've noticed a significant improvement in their digestion and overall gut health. They mentioned that they feel more comfortable and confident in their own skin, and that's a huge win. It's clear that this eating plan is having a profound impact on both physical and mental health. Of course, it's not all smooth sailing. There have been setbacks and moments of weakness, but that's all part of the journey. The key is to not give up and to keep pushing forward. I've learned that it's okay to indulge every now and then, as long as I get back on track and keep moving forward. The most significant moment for me was around day 5, when I noticed a major breakthrough in my mental clarity and physical energy. It was like a switch had flipped, and suddenly I felt like I could tackle anything. That moment made all the hard work worth it and motivated me to keep going. As I reflect on the past week, I'm amazed at the overall results. Participants have reported increased energy, improved mental clarity, and even weight loss. The feedback has been incredible, with many people noticing significant improvements in their overall well-being. I'm excited to share more of these results and insights with you. If you've been inspired by this challenge, I encourage you to share your own nutrition tips in the comments below. I'm sharing Healthy Habits Haven Ultimate Eating Plan 7-Day Meal Guide in the description. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Until then, bye. Stay healthy.